G'day, Josh from Wedgetail Rack. So you're a technician, you carry conduit, you carry ladders. The Wedgetail Trade is the perfect product for you. Now, conduit, they're annoying. They tend to flap around in the wind and they need to be secured. That's where the conduit carrier comes in, our pipe safe system, available in 150mm with a slot for a padlock, or its tiny brother, the 100mm, depending on how much conduit you want to carry. Quarter turn, hinge open, and you can insert your conduit. Another way you can set up the pipe safe, either in the 100mm or the 150mm, is to set it on the side of the roof rack rather than on the top of the roof rack. This is handy if you often carry sheets and you need the whole platform for other things. So if you're a chippy or a plasterer, one of the things that you might want to carry is your spirit levels or your X's, whatever the case may be. The conduit carrier on the side is very handy for that.